Hi, I'm Natasha. I'm one of Pastor Ginger's granddaughters. I'm currently a Doctor of Physical Therapy student living in Bangor, Maine, and I'll be graduating in May. I'm so excited for our upcoming Women's Retreat in April, and this is the first year I'll actually be hosting one of the workshops. So the retreat runs from Friday through Sunday, and every Saturday there's a few hours set aside for workshops. These are times where you can get in small groups, have smaller group discussions with other people, meet people from different areas, and we ask that you select this based on your interests, where you feel God is leading you. My workshop is going to be based on exercise and stretching, and my intention is that we will be introducing some exercises, gentle stretches, have good conversation, and pray for healing for one another. We'll see where God leads us. It'll be a nice, comfortable pace, nothing crazy, no big workouts, but I just really want everyone to be in a comfortable setting where we can really just have good intention, let God in over areas of our body where we have tension, where we're maybe not trusting for healing in different areas, and just see where God leads us. So I'm excited to see you all, and I'm excited to meet those of you I haven't met before, and I'm excited to visit with those of you I've seen the past few years. Have a great day.